Hello, everybody. It's the coach. This is Madden 20 on EA Sports. Up next, we've got what should be a great matchup between the New England Patriots and the Washington Redskins. I'll be back with you again with scores around the league at halftime. But kickoff right around the corner. And standing by to call the action, here are Brandon Godden and Charles Davis.
And, Coach, we find ourselves due east from our nation's capital at FedEx Field in Landover, Maryland. A few minutes ago, it sounded like the 4th of July on the National Mall as the hometown Redskins were introduced to this sold-out crowd. They are set to go as their guys will match up with Tom Brady and the New England Patriots. Alongside Charles Davis, I'm Brandon Godden. Charles, we look at this Redskin team as they interplay here. They've been playing their best football of the year, winners of 4 in a row.
And going back through the tape, I thought they looked pretty good last week. It was a solid win, a comprehensive win.
On the other side of the field for the visiting Patriots, we're in October now, so everybody should be coming into form, shouldn't they?
They really should, and what you have now is a full routine established about what you want to get done and full focus on the season.
Ready. 8, read. Hey, come on out here. Come get some. Come get some. Come on. Ready.
Now Griffin on first down. Johnson's got it complete. And they're able to get this one across the 35. 12 yards is the pickup, and it's good for a Washington first down. The numbers a week ago for Johnson. 8 catches, 120 yards, and a touchdown.
And I get the feeling that he loves this matchup. I mean, the unit he's going against is in the bottom half of the league against the pass. He had to have circled this one on the schedule and said,
now look out, Griffin hit, and he lost the football. It's loose. Picked up by the Patriots. And his guys are going to take over.
Ready? Hey, we got Mike. Bravo. Mike 53. You don't want that.
On first down, Griffin eluding the pressure right. And now he's going to use his legs. The coverage may be too good that time as he breaks away for 19 with his legs and a first down. Well, Charles, in the past, a lot of people called this offense one-dimensional.
I think you did.
Well,
it was you.
I'll be honest, I did. I think the fan base is hoping with this young rookie that they can put some wrinkles in this offense like we just saw.
I think you're exactly right, because we did have that discussion that what we've seen in the past from them, they needed to broaden, and they have done it here. Look at what he's bringing to their offense, and now as a defensive coordinator, you've got some extra work to do to prepare for him and their offense.
To throw it on on second down. Griffin, this one complete to Jordan Reed. And he's going to be brought down on what will be the final play of this first quarter. 14-0 the score. This is the NFL on EA Sports.
Get ready, get ready, get ready. Big trip.
Griffin buying time to his left. And it's incomplete. Some of the fans here don't seem too happy about what we've seen in this first half.
No, not at all, and I understand why. They look lethargic, out of sync, and it shows on the scoreboard.
Again on 2nd and 10, it's Griffin. That's complete. Terry McLaurin with it. 19 yards to pick up there. Move the chains. And just a small glimpse there as to why they like this rookie so much.
And that's why they lit up a little bit in our meetings with the coaching staff.
Yeah, when we talked about him, they did.
Yeah, they like his work ethic. You know, this guy's running every route well in the route tree and getting better at it all the time, really honing his game. They expect a pretty good jump out of him as things continue to move on.
From the 21, it's 2nd and 10. To throw again, Griffin. And this is going to be intercepted. Picked off by Jason McCourty. And a big turnover there as his guys will get the football.
Got it. What's up? Check Mike 54. Mike 54. Let's go one more. Let's go.
Trying to shake off the interception from the last drive. He'll look to throw. And he bats it away, and it falls down incomplete. The intended target was the rookie Terry McLaurin, and that'll bring up 2nd down. After the incompletion, here's 2nd and 10 from the 20. Throwing again. Griffin. He finds his man Johnson. And he'll be corralled well upfield right around the 40-yard line. The Redskins now going to use the first of their 3 timeouts. They'll have 2 remaining as we step aside here in this second quarter. On 1st and 10, it's Griffin. And this one complete to Reed. And they'll get this well past midfield before being stopped just before the 35. That one goes for 24 yards. This offense finding its legs now. Here's another 1st and 10. To throw again is Griffin. Nowhere to escape, and he goes down.
Well, someone's been up to the task so far in this game. They're already up a couple of scores, Brandon, and guess what? I think they're just going to pin their ears back now and get upfield and get after the quarterback.
That's such an impressive. Looking for Johnson, and it's intercepted. Picked off by Jason McCourty, and he's able to take this one back to the 36-yard line.
Indy. 53 I got him. Go.
Trying to shake off the interception. He'll look to throw. And the catch made by Johnson. That sends him 2 yards in the wrong direction and leads to 2nd down. 2nd and 12 after the first down pass play went backwards for 2 yards. Here's Griffin. Being chased out left. He's going to take off with it. Apart from Kyler Murray, not too many mobile QBs in this year's rookie class, but some good scrambling there to get the first. The last drive, remember, similar situation. He forced the ball into coverage through the better there.
Yeah, similar to a golfer that's with the shot that you just can't make. Sometimes you have to take your medicine, as they say, right? Just pull it down, take off, and go. Don't make something worse than what it was.
Throwing now, Griffin on first down. His throw incomplete. Was trying to get it to Terry McLaurin, and it's second down.
This defense has been very disruptive early on as they force another one to go awry.
Seems to be the front and the back end. Pass rush, they've been able to get home, and they're taking the ball away in coverage as well.
I love how you put it together. The front and back working in sync, only way to play good defense.
And he's got another first down as the tackle's going to be made at the Patriots' 45-yard line. They'll throw on first down with Griffin. And he's corralled, but not before getting it inside the 35. 12 yards is the pickup, and it's good for a Washington first down.
Now that was pretty. They executed that curl route versus zone coverage, and that changes things a little bit because against man, it's often a tight curl, tight, sharply run route. Against zone, you're just looking for that open spot, that dead area, so you may curl it a little bit wider just to get to that place.
And usually a tight window. He fired a bullet in there for the completion. He gets this one to Johnson. Chewing up big yardage. Another nice gain there. This one goes for 20. Now Washington going to use the second of their 3 timeouts, as the stoppage will come with a little under a minute to go in this first half. Redskins with their first trip to the red zone thus far. It's 1st and 10 at the 14. And this is taken in for a Redskins touchdown. Terry McLaurin, his... On 1st and 10, Griffin. And that'll wind up incomplete. Trying to give his man room to run under it, but it's second down.
And attempted a deep ball there. They didn't get it. But, boy, they're going to need a few of those to actually hit in order to get back into this game.
Good thing they do have a little bit of time here still left in the contest. Decent-sized deficit, but not one that they can't manage. And they're able to get this one across the 35. So from the 36 now, 1st and 10. From the gun, it's Griffin. Looking for McLaurin, and he's got him. And getting this just shy of midfield, they'll spot it at the 49. Give the Redskins 13 there and a first down. On first down, Griffin. And he finds the tight end, Reed. And he's corralled, but not before getting it inside the 35. 17 yards that time and a Washington first.
They really love to get him into one-on-one opportunities, and this is one way. Work him out of the slot and create a mismatch. Who's going to cover him? Corner, safety, linebacker? He's got a way to beat all of those positions.
And this is caught. I think he got that with one hand. It's a first down for the Redskins on a pickup of 11. This quarterback now, 5 straight completions here in this second half. 1st and 10.
Mike 54. Mike 54. I'm going to come back to you. I'm shooting.
Griffin will throw again. That's complete to his receiver, McLaurin. And they will eventually get him down, but he's inside the 5 all the way to the 3. Chewing up big yardage. Another nice gain there. This one goes for 20. 1st and goal, and they got to be thinking a chance to get right back into this football game.
Hey, Orbit.
Once again, Griffin. Touchdown, Redskins. Throwing on first down. Griffin.
Just like that.
And he can't get rid of it. He's taken down. Lawrence Guy. It'll go as a loss of about 8 as he gets in there to drop it. Now hold everything here. We're going to get a timeout by the offense. It's just their first, so 2 remaining as they burn one here in this third quarter. To try again after the sack. Griffin. And his throw is incomplete. And Charles, got to like what this defense has been able to do these last couple of plays.
Yeah, they get the sack on first down, then they force the incomplete pass. Now they're just a play away from getting the football right back, but it's a big play. They've got to hold up.
Here's Griffin. Middle of the field, he's got McLaurin. And he gets this one just shy of the 35 to the 34. 21 yards there on third down. And, boy, they had high praise for this rookie receiver when we asked the coaches about him, didn't they?
They certainly did, and obviously they liked his measurables, otherwise they wouldn't have brought him onto the team. Height, weight, speed, all of that. But how about what they really said? Competitiveness. That's what they really liked about him. The way he goes after the football, competes for it, and decides when it's in the air, it's his and only his.
It'll go as a pickup of 14 and a Washington first down. On first and 10, Griffin stepping up. He's going to kick. Now look out, Griffin hit, and he lost the football. It's loose, and it's picked up by the Patriots. And his guys will take over at their own 44-yard line. On first down, Griffin. Nowhere to escape, and he goes down. It's John Simon with a sack. I don't care if you're taking it wrong, you're undrafted, whatever. As a rookie quarterback in this league, you're going to have games where you face adversity like this.
Lessons. All the time you're going to face these lessons. The key for this guy is will he be able to bounce back in the next one, because right now, this has not been his game.
Big yardage there on the scramble. It gets him a first down.
The sack on first down took him out of a traditional running play and put him in a passing situation, but didn't stop him from running anyway, did it?
No, I was surprised when he took off. I thought, oh, he's got some space. He might pick up 5, 6, 7 yards. He goes all the way and picks up the first. And he gets this inside the 35-yard line. It's a first down for the Redskins on a pickup of 11. So they'll come up first and 10 now from the 33. Before they can snap it, time runs out on this third quarter of play. You're watching the NFL on EA Sports.
You ready? Mike 57, Mike 57. Twist. Get up.
And this time the yards won't come so easy as they'll in fact tackle him behind the line. A loss of 2 there, second down.
Come on, set. 94.
Now a carry for Portis. A pickup of about 3 yards as he's taken down at the 31.
And that's one of the reasons you like to blitz even on rundowns. It confuses the blocking assignments. It doesn't allow those offensive linemen to get up to the second level.
Here we go, D.
A run with Portis. And this effort will not get it done. He stopped well short of the first down at the 29.
Not too many offenses want to turn down long drives, but when you're down what they are, they've got to pay it off with some points.
They'll try and throw for it with Griffin. And he's going to be intercepted a third time. Picked off by Jason McCourty. And the return will stop right around the 25. Johnson was in.
On the set. 53. Check 53. Let's go, baby. They turn over. Get that ball. Hey, Echo. Get that ball. 5.
They go back to the air here after the INT on the last drive. And that's going to be incomplete. Too tough to hold on to that one. It's second down. Just nothing there again. He's been sacked multiple times. We've seen the interceptions, of course. He's really been through the ringer, hasn't he?
And what we've seen is a defense that's well coordinated. The front and the back really in sync. The front putting on the pressure. The backside being Hawks and picking passes off. Obviously, this has not been a banner game throwing the football. So what you got to do? You got to kind of down focus, don't you think? Find the tight end, take some easier completions.
Yeah, interception last drive. There he hits the reliable target. That's going to go as a loss of 2, and it'll be second down. Now Washington going to use the second of their 3 timeouts. That's going to leave them with just 1 remaining here in this fourth quarter. Now a draw play. It's Portis. And able to work about 5 yards out of this as he's taken down up near the 47. An extra corner comes on now for the Patriots D on third down. They'll run it here with Portis. And he gets this to the 48, but no further. Well short of the line to gain. Only a yard on the pickup there, and it's going to leave them with a fourth down. A critical one here if they're going to have any shot at this thing. So they'll go for it on fourth down. They'll try and run for it. And he won't get there. They stop him a few yards short of the line to gain. The Redskins go for it. So this will wind up a victory for the New England Patriots. And I'll tell you what, it has not been with a whole lot of frequency over the last couple of decades or so that teams have come into New England and escaped with a victory, but that's what happened here.
It almost doesn't feel real, does it?
We've seen it so few times.
That actually happened, right? We saw it. They came out of there with a win. And on the other side, in that locker room, you know what they're saying? We didn't really lose. Time just ran out on us. That's the attitude they have because they don't see it happen very often. Not even sure how to handle it.
And you see some stunned faces heading for the exits here in New England. So for the Patriots, they improved to 5-0 now on the young season. And they will head back home next week. Meanwhile, for Washington, it was a good first month, but they'll fall to 4-1 as they suffer their first loss. And they'll look to regroup next week as they head down to Miami to take on the Dolphins. That'll do it for us. I'm Brandon Gaudin alongside Charles Davis. Thanks to our entire crew as well. We'll talk to you next time. So long, everybody.